Hey everyone, what's going on? Vinny here from AndroidAuthority.com. Today I'm going to be going through the best widgets and apps to customize your Android device and experience. So, to start things off right now, I'm going to start with what my phone is running right off. When you see it, that is Go Launcher. That's what you see here. That's how my dock can scroll. That's how I can edit my how my app drawer looks, as well as how my transitions are between my home screens. I can edit all sorts of things with this. Very fun, very cool. This is basically a replacement for HTC Sense or Blur or Motorola's applications platform or TouchWiz, all of that stuff. This is essentially a replacement for that. It's available on the Android market for free. It's called Go Launcher EX. Very cool application. A very indeed must try. I wouldn't say a must have because it's not for everybody, but I think it deserves a shot, so I believe everyone should at least try it out. The next on our list is another thing you can see right away is Beautiful Widgets. Now Beautiful Widgets is a clock widget as well as a weather widget, which is right here. And if you go into the application settings, we can go to clock skins and weather skins. So you can go to clock skins and have some downloaded. You can go and download some in the download tab if you wish, but I have some downloaded already, and we can go ahead and just apply a different one and go home. And there we go. Now our clock looks different. There's full customization for the clock widget and the weather skin widget, and this can be a 4x2, which is the bigger size clock, or a 4x1, so keep that in mind. I'll show you a list of them right now. This also has tablet functionality, so you do have a 4x3 as well, a 4x1, and a 4x2, as well as a 2x1. And then of course you have the beautiful weather, which is the other widget I showed you, which is a 4x1, and then another one which is just a 1x1. So very cool. A very must have. I love my beautiful widget. This particular app is also not free though. It is a $2.89 application to buy in the Android market, but I believe it's worth it for all its functionality. And then of course we have Widget Locker. Now if you haven't seen Widget Locker, it's an application to customize your lock screen. This is another app that you're going to have to pay for, unfortunately, but it's not too steep of a price. $1.99 isn't going to break the bank, so go ahead and take a look. See here. And here you go. This is what it is. It's basically a way to customize your lock screen, anything you want. As you can see, I can open Gmail immediately. I can open up my web browser immediately. I can also play long press disable. Oh, that's right. Okay, so I can play with all my widgets if I had any on the screen, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'll go ahead and unlock this and go into Widget Locker, go to menu, and here we go. I can add widgets to my lock screen, which is pretty cool. Go ahead and add, say, Google Plus. Why not? Go ahead and add Google Plus. So when I lock my device and say I want to quickly post to Google Plus, I can go ahead and click share and type out my thoughts. Post. Post complete. Go back. I'm still at my lock screen. So there you go. Very cool. Very customizable. You can have all sorts of things going on there. Go ahead and check out the video I made on this application, how to customize your Android lock screen. That's on our channel at Android Authority. So go ahead and check that out. And then of course we have another application called SwipePad. SwipePad is a free Android application on the Android market. Now you have a few settings here to go through. You have advanced controls, which doesn't really enlist much. Just has an indicator in the icon status bar. And then of course you can set where you want your swipe to be. So you can have it here where mine is, which is red. You can have it over here, up here, or over here. There is a paid version which lets you use all 4, but I just need the 1. There's not much more to show you really. There's a few different settings which you go through, like tasking. It helps you manage your current running apps without leaving it and all that stuff. But just to get to it here, I mean, this is basically what it is when you're anywhere. Say I'm in Gmail and I want to go into Heytel. All I have to do is that. Instead of going home, then going to application, then finding the application and touching it, all I have to do is do this, and bam, back to the calculator. All that is pretty cool. One of my favorite applications, a must-have in my opinion, really. So I really recommend checking that out. It's free, it's really worth it. It'll customize your experience and make your Android experience much better. So after that, that's our 4th one, I believe. Yes, this is our 4th one. We have the last one on our list. This isn't an in order, by the way. This is just a random group of really good applications to customize your Android device. We have launcher icons, which is actually called Droid icon, which is one word. I'll have all of these links down below, just so you know. Anyways, so you can see here I typed in something. I'll just go ahead and go back on that. But I can go to colors in this, and it's basically just a list of cool icons. So you can see here some pretty cool icon color schemes. So this will only work if you're running a custom launcher like I am, like Go Launcher or Launcher Pro or ADW. Let's say I'm digging the round red. So go here, and the cool thing is I can go to My Apps and it'll load up all the apps they have available, all the icons they have available for My Apps. So you can see here they have videos, they have voice recorder, all these cool things, VZ, navigation, weather bug, Wi-Fi, icons, all these cool icons. And then they also have docks, which is really cool. So if I wanted to change the dock, let's see, we'll just go ahead and change it to something not too crazy. We'll just do this one right here. That looks kind of neat. You can also search for things, all that good stuff, sort by, and you know, the highest rated, the artist's name, the title, all that good stuff. But if I wanted to change it, all I have to do is go into preferences on my launcher, go into theme settings, and then go to the dock background, choose custom, and we'll go to Launcher Pro Docks. As you can see, I already downloaded one. Only goofy thing is it takes it like really close up in your gallery for some reason. But anyways, you just hit save and go back home, and there you go. Now our dock background is different. So I mean, there it is. It's a very cool application. Not really much I can show you without making the video very long, but it's really cool. It has a ton of icons, over 1,000 icons to choose from. You're bound to find what you're looking for in here. So very cool, very customizable, pretty awesome application. So with all that being said, guys, those are my top 5 customizable apps. So check them out. Without further ado, just gonna bring the video to a close. So if you like this video, if you like any of the other videos, check out the channel and subscribe, everybody. Don't forget to check out the site at androidauthority.com and follow the site on Twitter at androidoff, and follow me on Twitter as well. If you have any questions, just want to follow me, want to talk, whatever it is, follow me at vin_mobile. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to take this video to a close now. I'll see you in the next one.